I'm sure you've heard the news. Gas prices are through the roof. It's a topic that's on everyone's mind these days. Whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or planning a road trip, the cost of fuel can really add up. But don't worry. There are plenty of ways to make your fuel last longer and save some money in the process. With just a few adjustments to your driving habits, you can see significant savings. These changes are not only easy to implement but also incredibly effective. So let's explore some practical tips that can help you stretch every gallon of gas and keep more money in your pocket. But don't worry, we've got some tips to help you save. These tips are simple, easy to implement, and can make a significant difference in your fuel consumption. So let's dive right in and start saving. You'll be surprised at how these small changes can add up over time. From adjusting your driving style to maintaining your vehicle, there are numerous strategies you can employ to improve your fuel efficiency. Let's get started with the first tip. First up, chill on the accelerator. Smooth and steady wins the race and saves fuel. Rapid acceleration and hard braking can waste a lot of gas. By driving more smoothly, you can improve your fuel efficiency by up to 30%. So take it easy on the gas pedal and enjoy a more relaxed drive. Not only will you save fuel, but you'll also have a more pleasant driving experience. Additionally, smooth driving reduces the stress on your vehicle's engine and other components, leading to fewer repairs and a longer lifespan for your car. Avoid those sudden starts and stops whenever you can. Anticipate traffic conditions and try to maintain a steady speed. This not only saves fuel but also reduces wear and tear on your vehicle. Plus, it's a safer way to drive. By being more mindful of your driving habits, you can make a big difference in your fuel consumption. For instance, when approaching a red light, start slowing down in advance rather than braking abruptly. This habit not only conserves fuel but also makes your driving smoother and more predictable for other road users. Next, check that tire pressure. Underinflated tires can drag you down and guzzle more gas. Properly inflated tires can improve your gas mileage by up to 3%. It's a small thing, but it makes a big difference. Make it a habit to check your tire pressure at least once a month. This simple maintenance task can save you money and keep you safer on the road. Moreover, maintaining the correct tire pressure ensures better handling and reduces the risk of tire blowouts, which can be dangerous and costly. A quick stop at the air pump can do wonders for your mileage. Most gas stations have air pumps, and it only takes a few minutes to ensure your tires are at the correct pressure. It's a simple step that can save you money in the long run. Plus, properly inflated tires wear more evenly, extending their lifespan. This means you'll get more miles out of your tires before needing replacements, adding to your overall savings. Got a heavy foot? Cruise control is your friend. Using cruise control on the highway can help you maintain a constant speed and avoid unnecessary acceleration and deceleration. This can improve your fuel efficiency by up to 14%. It's an easy way to save fuel without even thinking about it. Cruise control is particularly beneficial on long stretches of road where maintaining a steady speed is crucial for optimal fuel consumption. It helps maintain a constant speed and keeps you from burning extra fuel. Just set it and forget it, and you'll see the benefits in your fuel economy. It's especially useful on long trips where maintaining a steady speed can make a big difference. Additionally, using cruise control can reduce driver fatigue, making your journey more comfortable and enjoyable. And don't forget to lighten your load. Carrying unnecessary weight in your car is like throwing money out the window. Clean out that trunk. Every extra 100 pounds can reduce your fuel efficiency by about 1%. So take a few minutes to remove any unnecessary items from your car. You'll be amazed at how much lighter your car feels and how much fuel you can save. This is especially important if you frequently carry heavy items that you don't need for your daily commute or errands. Lastly, aerodynamics matter. Keep your windows up at high speeds to reduce drag and improve your gas efficiency. When you're driving on the highway, open windows can create a lot of drag, which makes your engine work harder and use more fuel. So, keep those windows up and enjoy the savings. It's a simple change that can have a big impact on your fuel economy. If you need fresh air, consider using the car's ventilation system instead of opening the windows. Now go out there and save some gas. Thanks for watching. We hope these tips help you get the most out of every gallon. Remember, every little bit helps, and by making a few small changes to your driving habits, you can make a big difference in your fuel consumption. Happy driving and safe travels. Implementing these tips not only saves you money but also contributes to a greener environment by reducing your carbon footprint. Like and subscribe for more awesome tips. Stay tuned for more helpful advice on how to save money and make the most of your driving experience. Happy driving. We appreciate your support, and look forward to bringing you more valuable content. Don't forget to share these tips with friends and family. They'll thank you for it.